just 2 seconds ago, Jacob said, when are we going to be there? Daddy said, you see the signs. You see the signs. So we're going to California. These were the signs. He's like, when are we going to get here? Look at my boys playing Fortnite at the lounge. So we went to a lounge for a little while. The food was not good. So we went to Mickey's for the boys. And this People's Organic place for us.
Yeah.
We got a big car because on the way back home, Grandma Susan's flying back with us. I'm so excited. And we needed enough, like, you know, luggage space. Need to put y'all on to Taqueria Azteca. That place is so good. Oh, to Le Jour? Yeah, that place is good. That used to be a Lucille's. I don't know what that is anymore. I love this coffee place. It's called AJ Coffee. It's a tiny little drive-thru. Look how tiny. See?
They got a banh mi restaurant there now.
What? They got a new pho place?
Mom's Pho and banh mi.
Nice. Here.
Your pizza's gonna have to sit in this pan.
Did y'all miss Grandma? Grandma looking good.
Hold it up. No, you have your own. Hold on.
They're making pizza and we already ate all her appetizers. We came so hungry and she had all the yummy, her famous dip. And then she made these little cucumber boats. I tore it up. Oh my gosh, and you don't understand. She even had shrimp chips. That's my favorite. And those grapes are so good. They taste like cotton candy. Like literally everything tastes better here in California. I'm telling you. Does it over there enjoying some wine. So this is where Justin and I are staying in the guest room. And the boys are upstairs in the bunk bedroom. You're gonna think I'm weird, but my superstitious belief is that if there's an empty chair by your bed, it means that you're welcoming like something to watch you sleep. Like for real, for real. So I do this even in hotel rooms. I'll put something on it so that nothing can sit on it. When we went to the rental car place, this girl had the most beautiful, like longest hair and it like had waves. I complimented her and she's like, oh, these are extensions. And I was like, let me get some of that because it was stunning. And like the moment I landed in California, like every interaction is just so lovely. And I was telling Justin this, and I know this is really strange, but like in Minnesota, I don't really smell fragrances on people. Maybe perfume is not like a thing that people like to wear often. But everywhere in the airport, I was smelling Delina, which is one of my favorite perfumes. And then this man on the air train to get to the car rental place was next to me and he smelled good too. Like he was like an elderly man. And I was like, he got his cologne on and it smelled good. Like everybody be smelling good up in Cali. I forgot. Like there's fragrances in the air. Even at the airport, in the bathroom, someone was smelling real good. And I said, wait a second, I missed this. Because I am so into perfume and I love perfume, so I love smelling it. Not everyone does, you know, like Sharon and Steve. I remember when I first met them, I was wearing my mom's perfume, Estee Lauder Pleasures, bought that on eBay. I first met them and I remember Sharon took me like aside and she's all like no offense, but would it be all right if you didn't wear perfume around us because we're sensitive to smells? And I'm like, of course. So ever since, I'm very sensitive to not wear perfume around them. But if I don't know that I'm going to see them and then we end up seeing them, too bad. I have it on all the time. But yeah, I just noticed that I love perfume. But my house, though, I do have to say my house has a fragrance. And that's on purpose. I have, ooh, girl. There's this new spray that I bought on TikTok Shop. Yes, TikTok Shop. It's called Beach Bum. It's a spray. And it's the best smelling all-purpose spray I've ever smelled. And it smells incredible. And then they have a linen spray for it. And then they have a mop soap for it. And it's called Beach Bum. Look it up. It's so good. I was unpacking for me and Justin. I like unpacking for him. It just makes it easier. He's watching, I think, the World Cup right now. And the boys are working on the pizza. Girl, there was a point to this. But I forgot. I'm sorry. Perimenopause. Oh, and I got to catch up with my sister. I haven't chatted with her for a while. So it was nice to catch up with her. But there was something else. Oh, we have so many plans to see our friends. Omar, Noah and Isaac, Nini, Justin's friend Ryan and Monica are also here in the Bay Area, and they moved to Georgia, but they're here in the Bay Area because Ryan's family lives here. So we get to see him too. Justin's friend Danny, do you remember Danny? yeah, so we get to see all of them. And of course, we get to see Tiffany. Tiffany is Susan's daughter. Do you guys remember Tiffany? We call her Auntie Tiffany for the kids. We get to see her tomorrow too. So it's a lot of seeing everyone. And then Susan's flying back with us, like I mentioned. And she's going to stay with us, I think, for like 10 days. So that'll be nice. Do you see this cute little squirrel? I was just sitting here outside by myself, enjoying the weather. And he want to be all nosy, like, girl, what you up to? You so cute though. You so cute. I swear I'm the squirrel whisperer. I was just sitting out here enjoying. I really took California for granted and I regret it. I took it for granted so much. Like I didn't realize how being outside mattered. Cause like we have the longest winter in Minnesota. And just like, it's not humid when you're outside. It doesn't feel sticky and wet. It's not giving put extra deodorant on. It's giving the deodorant on that I put on this morning is still working. I know I sound really weird and crazy, but it's so beautiful here. I understand why people pay the premium to live here in California. I never understood it. I was all like, what the heck? Why are we paying so much for this house? It's not even big. It's not this and that. Well, I would rather live in a small little home in California than in Minnesota, where it's quite big and there's a basement. But I don't know, took the weather for granted and the diversity and the kind people and all of that. Squirrel was like, yeah girl, I agree. Dinner's ready. Oh, you guys made such good pizzas. And yummy sukiyaki. Look how beautiful this little outdoor space is. I love the big umbrella. It's such a nice shade. Honey, that's a nice umbrella, right? She gets, exactly, yeah, she gets good shade. I love it. Look at these kids, barefoot.
What is the game then?
Well, yeah, what kind of game is this? That is too cute. Susan got the boys a mug. And look, Liam is a piano and Jacob's is a chessboard. That's so sweet.
I know, I thought they were awesome.
You're so thoughtful, Grandma. Hello, my friends. Guess what? Noah and Isaac came over. Noah and Isaac are Omar and Nini's boys. Liam and Noah have been besties since daycare, since they were 1. And so it's so nice whenever we visit, we try to see them. Justin took them all to the park, and I'm here with Susan. I'm not cooking, y'all. Susan has cooked everything. I'm just cutting up some fruit. Go, Susan. And oh my gosh, look. She let me borrow an apron, and I feel like a Nana.
Yeah,
look,
Nana.
Susan. It's giving Nana.
Yeah, we're both nanas.
We gotta take a picture. This is so cute.
Yeah,
Let's do that.
Marinated some shrimp
Yeah.
with bell peppers.
You guys know Grandma Susan throws down.
And then I made some macaroni.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the macaroni.
Her famous.
Macaroni.
It's like that Hawaiian mac, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love that stuff.
That, and then now we're making some fruit salad. And we're gonna put some coconut. You know what we'll do?
She made her own whipped cream.
We're ready to put this in.
And look at Susan's pants. It's everything. It's giving. I love it. So fruit salad is whipped cream.
Whipped cream and coconut with vanilla and sugar. That's it.
Yum.
We are preparing a feast. Well, actually, the correction. The ladies of my life are preparing a feast in here. Susan. What's on the menu today, Susan?
Okay, we have ribs, we have shrimp, we have macaroni salad, cabbage salad,
Oh my God.
and fruit salad.
We got all the sausages and stuff too. Sausages.
We have hot wings, hot dogs, and some kind of cheesy one with cheese inside of it.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
I think we're gonna have it.
We sure are. I'm gonna barbecue. Susan got some propane. April's prepping the cabbage over here. Coleslaw. Oh my gosh, beautiful.
My boys, Isaac and Noah, are working on the corn. Good job. Hanson prepping the steak.
Look at these steaks. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Amazing.
Lots of food. Corn, macaroni, steak, burger, shrimp,
steak?
coleslaw. So friends, it's the next day. 4th of July was fun. Omar had us laughing so hard. Justin's friend Danny came too.
Yeah, it was wonderful. Just like, it was hot, but like beautiful weather there. You know, in their backyard they got like shade, and it was really nice. And the kids were just playing, and we barbecued so much food. It was really good.
We did.
It was really fun.
And then the kids, Isaac and Noah wanted to show their room. I guess they recently renovated their room, and so they wanted Liam and Jacob to see it, and they were asking me like, oh, can we go to Isaac's house? And I was like, that's up to your dad. But what the kids told Justin was, Mommy said that you guys are gonna take us. And I said, what? Like, they said,
they said Mommy said it's okay. That's what they interpreted it like.
And they were twisting and I'm like,
and then I said, oh well, I guess if Mommy says it's okay.
oh my gosh. But anyways, Justin ended up going. It was like the Jacob and Liam and Isaac and Noah were like, boys, what's it called? Boys trip. So of course I didn't go. I hung out and I helped clean up. And yeah, 4th of July was wonderful. We didn't see any fireworks or anything.
It hurt them.
Hurt them, yeah. But I don't know. I know Minnesota is like 2 months. 2 hours ahead. And that little 2 hours makes me so tired. Like 10 p.m. is midnight in Minnesota. 10 p.m. here in Cali is midnight in Minnesota. And I am used to the Minnesota time. And so I was tired. And so, yeah. But I stayed awake until you guys got back.
Yeah, we watched a little bit of the Sheep Detectives movie.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty cute.
Yeah.
We're gonna finish it tonight.
Yeah, it's really cute. And I wonder what happened to that man. But we'll find out. Anyways, I'll end this vlog. It's probably long, so I'll see you next time. And we're still in Cali.